Alright, in this training video I'm going to show you how to use the campaign manager and create the special click tracking merge code link that when someone gets an email from you and reads it and clicks on the link, it creates a special click tracking so that you actually get notified inside of Fido right here, okay? And if I go switch over to my Fido, that this person got a message from you, read it, and clicked on your link and went to your landing page. And this is that real-time click-through link, folks, that people are paying $5 or more for, and you're actually getting their information. So this Pearl Bryant, all these people that you see here got a message from me. I personally wrote it. I created that special click tracking link so that when they clicked on it, I was notified that, and then they went to my landing page. Alright, so if I switch over to my Nexus email client, you can see here's a personal message that I wrote, and this person actually responded back to me. But you can see here's that special link inside. When they click on this link, I get notified of that action inside of Fido, and then they go to my landing page. If you look down here, when I hover over the link, look down here where my cursor is showing, you can see there's a lot of gobbledygook. Well, that's actually that special click tracking under the programming underneath it that takes care of that for you. And we don't want you to have to know all that. That's impossible. So we created a special merge code that you can do that. Each one of you, if I click on my blue and gray gear icon, each one of you has a mailing domain, and that shows up right here. And then we ask you what landing page you want that mailing domain to go to. So if I go to my mailing domain is emchub.com. So if I go over to my Internet Explorer and go to emchub, you can do this yourself. You can see what landing page you're currently set to, and currently I'm using our #1 no-no. So my emchub.com, that is currently going to the #1 no-no video, but you can have it go to anywhere you want. So how do you create that special click tracking link when you're adding your own message? So I'm going to go to my Nexus toolbar and I'm going to click on the campaign manager. Now folks, you can see I've been doing this for a long time, 15 plus years. We have a lot of different clients, so we have a lot of campaigns. But I'm going to just tell you, it's going to be a lot easier if you just use the MPW BizOps series with coding campaign. You can create your own, but I recommend you don't do that because you want to have a series of 9 or 10 messages that go out, not just 1 or 2. Okay, so I would recommend using the MPW series BizOps with coding and just add and edit these messages. So you can see we have the 10 messages in here, and let's just say you have more than one company. Well, create 15 or 20 messages in here. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my own message. All right, so I'm going to add a new message to this campaign. I'm going to give it a subject line, hi, and I'm going to merge in their first name, so it's bracket, bracket, first name, bracket, bracket. You won't believe this. Let's just do click my special click tracking merge code sample. Okay. So that's a subject line. You'll need to give every message a subject line, and I'm just say hi, and I can use the this nice double click feature here. I can use these merge codes on the left hand side. These are the contacts merge codes. These are your personal merge codes. So if I want to say thanks, and then put in your name, I can do that. Put your cursor where you want it to be, and then double click. So that puts in my information, and then this is the contacts information, and I can write my message here. And now I want to put in that special click tracking, and I want them to go to my landing page again, which is going to be the root of my mailing domain. So how do I do that? Put my cursor where I want the link to be, and go up to here where it says click through link generator, and double click on main root LP, and there it is. That's the special link that's going to do all this. Right here, when you look down here, when I hover over it, it puts in all that special click-through tracking so that you will get notified if the person clicks on your link and goes to your landing page. So that's how you do it. Let me just go to the toolbar here. And then the only other thing you need to know when you're using that main click-through link generator right here is this drop-down needs to also be set to main or landing page. And then this is the text you want to say, like, click here to check out my cool video. Okay, so the person's not going to see this. They're going to see this word here, okay, and just like this. They're going to see this text in blue with an underline depending on their email client. So that's where you tell it right there. So again, put your cursor where you want that link to show up. Double click on main root LP. make sure this drop down is set to main root LP, and then this is the words that you want them to see when they click on it. And then of course make sure you click save up here. If you don't, that message won't be saved. And then you can see my 11th message in this campaign. It merges in their first name, it has my special click tracking, then puts in my first name, last name, and phone. So that's how easy it is to do the click tracking generator using our merge codes with the campaign manager.